The Alliance for Bangladesh Worker Safety was founded by a group of North American retailers and apparel brands who have joined together to develop and launch the Bangladesh Worker Safety Initiative, a legally binding 5-year undertaking to improve fire, electrical and structural safety in the Bangladeshi ready-made garment industry. As we have learned all too recently, fire and smoke have taken too many lives, especially in the garment industry of Bangladesh. Garment manufacturing can have serious risk of fire due to the abundance of combustible material, faulty electrical wiring, or other commonly found risks within a manufacturing environment. If factory workers and managers do not take serious efforts to prevent fire, lives can be lost. One critical element of fire prevention is to ensure that workers and managers understand fire risk, communication concerns, and what to do in the event of a fire to protect lives. During the end of 2013, the Alliance for Bangladesh Worker Safety conducted the largest worker survey ever conducted on fire safety in Bangladesh. The survey and off-site interviews of more than 3,200 workers from 30 factories indicated that current efforts to train workers on fire safety are largely ineffective. Workers do not have sufficient understanding of how to identify fire safety risks. They often do not know how to react in the event of an emergency, and nearly half of the workers have never had training specific to fire safety. While these findings are disappointing, they help to inform what sort of fire safety training is needed if we were going to truly reduce the risk from fires and ensure that the workers are protected. Based on the survey results and a range of stakeholder workshops, the Alliance developed a training program that focused on the prevention of fire, emergency preparedness, and making sure people know what to do in case a fire breaks out. Armed with these learnings, the Alliance developed one of the largest and most comprehensive fire safety trainings for more than 600 factories.
Alliance believes that every worker has a role to play positively to improve their situation in the factory level in terms of emergency situation. So, Alliance for Bangladesh Worker Safety is committed to train 100% of worker and management in Alliance member factories.
The Alliance Basic Fire Safety Training is implemented through a train-the-trainer approach. The Alliance has selected, trained and approved 43 master trainers from local NGOs and third-party organizations. Master trainers then trained factory representatives, including management and workers' representatives in 6 locations. On the first day of this training for factory representatives, the master trainers demonstrate the training program to the factory representatives. On the second day, the factory participants are each asked to demonstrate a sub-module of the training program to their peers. If they pass the rigorous evaluation by both the master trainers and the Alliance, the factory representatives are then approved to conduct the training at the factory level. There have been nearly 2,000 factory representatives who have gone through this 2-day intensive train-the-trainer program. These factory trainers are responsible for creating training action plans for their respective factories, delivering the training to the entire workforce, and reporting the information to the Alliance on a weekly basis. To date, the Alliance Fire Safety Training has been rolled out to more than 1 million workers. In total, the training program included more than 600 factories throughout Bangladesh. The in-factory training method is highly participatory, with storytelling, role-play exercises, group discussion, and demonstrations. That is designed to be completed in groups of 30 workers at a time. Training materials help workers identify fire hazards and fire safety's do's and don'ts, and are designed to be easily understood by the workers with a low literacy level. To ensure the training is done properly, detailed, unannounced spot checks are conducted by Alliance staff at many of the factories. Alliance staff observe the effectiveness of the factory training and learn about the challenges or innovations in how each factory has incorporated the training into their daily operations.
ওই ট্রেনিংয়ের পরে আমি আমার যে সহকর্মী তাদেরকে আমি অতি সহজে এই ট্রেনিংটা আমি তাদেরকে বোঝাতে পারি এবং তারাও বুঝতে পারে। আমার কাছে অনেক ভালো লেগেছে, তারা প্রত্যেকটা মানে এর সাথে ছবি মিল করেছে, অতি সহজে জিনিসটা আসলে গ্রহণ করা যায় আর কি, সবাই এটা ভালোভাবে বুঝতে পারবে।
One important element of the in-factory training is to raise awareness amongst the workers about the channels available to them to report safety concerns. To make sure workers have a place to go when internal channels fail, the Alliance is committed to providing factory workers with the opportunity to voice safety concerns so that they can be heard and acted upon in a timely manner. The Alliance Worker Helpline provides workers with a reliable third-party reporting channel that will allow them to raise safety concerns anonymously.
এই ট্রেনিংটা খুব এফেক্টিভ হয়েছে এবং আমি প্র্যাকটিক্যালি ফ্লোরে গিয়ে দেখছি, তাদের সাথে কথা বলে দেখছি যে না, তারা জিনিস ট্রেনিং থেকে তাদেরকে ফায়ার সেফটিতে কীভাবে তারা নিজেদেরকে সেভ করবে, কীভাবে কোনো ফায়ার অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট ঘটলে তারা ফ্যাক্টরি থেকে বের হয়ে আসবে, কোম্পানির অ্যাসেটকে সেভ করতে পারবে, তাদেরকে সেভ করতে পারবে, এটা তারা অনেকটা পজিটিভলি এটা শিখতে পারছে এবং তারা খুব পজিটিভলি নিয়েছে। তো আমি মনে করি যে এই ট্রেনিংটা খুব একটা ইফেক্টিভ ট্রেনিং, খুব একটা পজিটিভ ট্রেনিং ফর গার্মেন্টস ইন্ডাস্ট্রি।
Fire safety in the factories will always require the joint efforts of everyone in the factory, from frontline workers to upper management. This is why the Alliance has made training of all factory personnel a top priority. To achieve fire safety, everyone has a role to play in identifying fire hazards and addressing them before they turn into fires, and in ensuring that in the event of a fire or another emergency, everyone in the building can evacuate quickly and safely.
অ্যালায়েন্সের অগ্নিনিরাপত্তামূলক প্রশিক্ষণ গ্রহণ করার পূর্বে আমি আগুন সম্পর্কে সামান্য কিছু জানতাম, কিন্তু এই ট্রেনিং গ্রহণ করার পর আমি জানতে পেরেছি আগুন লাগার সম্ভাবনা থাকলে তেমন কিছু যদি আমি দেখতে পাই, দেখার পর আমি কী করব। আমি প্রথমে আমার নিজের চেষ্টায় সেটা সমাধান করার চেষ্টা করব, যদি না পারি তাহলে আমি আমার সিনিয়র পর্যায়ে ফোন করব। ওনারা যদি যথাযথ কোনো ব্যবস্থা গ্রহণ না করেন তাহলে আমি অবশ্যই অ্যালায়েন্সের হেল্পলাইন।
The Alliance's basic fire safety training is only the first training module of more to come. But by building awareness and knowledge on fire safety, prevention and correct evacuation, it is building a necessary foundation in ensuring a safe working environment for all.